Speech pitch by Iska Sak.
Hi there and welcome back to Speech Pitch by Iska Sak. I am Sarthak Jain and today we have Marta. Marta is the award winner of Young Female Researcher in Speech Workshop 2024. This is a satellite event for young female identified. In this event, students get the opportunity to share their work, have mentoring sessions with people and of academia and industry and wonderful panel sessions. Hi Martha, is this your first Interspeech?
Hi, yes, this is indeed my first Interspeech.
So how is the experience?
I really like it. I feel like there's a very strong sense of community in the speech community and people are really eager to share their work.
Would you like to share some more information about you and your research interests?
Yes, so as you mentioned, I was in the Young Female Researchers Workshop. So I am just finishing my master's degree. So I just finishing a master's in artificial intelligence with a master's thesis project related to speech technologies.
Could you share with your audience the main topic of your poster?
So my poster was about how automatic speech recognition systems deal with foreign accented speech. It started because we realized that many current ASR systems are trained only on native speakers. However, many of the speakers of these systems are not actually native English speakers, and because they are not available in a lot of languages, so people have to speak to them in their second language, which may be English. And we found that most of these systems are not really robust to foreign accent, and the performance is much worse when the speaker has an accent, and even more so where you also add noise to the accented speech. We tried to find out if using in-context learning could help these models, but since it was a limited time project as a master's thesis, we didn't really reach any conclusions on this front.
Thanks a lot. Last but not the least, how does academic life treat you so far? And do you have time for a break?
Yeah, academia can be stressing when you have deadlines you have to meet and maybe the experiment is not working. So I find that knitting and crocheting really helps me really disconnect from my brain from the experiments that are not working and focus on manual labor and creating something with my own hands.
Thanks a lot, Martha, for your kind words.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for listening to this short bonus episode. Stay tuned as we have many interviews your favorite speech researchers. Don't forget to subscribe wherever you are listening to our podcasts and also follow Iska Sak on X and LinkedIn. Till then, have fun.
Speech pitch by Iska Sak.